students, in this class we are going to discuss about types of DC generators. Depends upon the field winding excitation. The generators are classified into two types. One is self-excited, another one is separately excited. In self-excited DC generator, there are three types: shunt, series and compound. Depends upon the connection of armature winding and field winding, in which the excitation is given by the self supply. In shunt winding, the armature winding is in parallel with the field winding. That is, the A1, A2 is the armature winding, F1, F2 is the field winding. The A1, A2 armature winding is in parallel, that is shunt with the field winding F1, F2. See the diagram. The next one is series winding. In series winding, the S1, S2 is in series with the A1, A2. S1, S2 is in series with the A1, A2. That is, armature winding is in series with the field winding. Then compound generator. In compound generator, there are two types. First one is long shunt, second one is short shunt. In long shunt, the field winding is in parallel with the combination of armature and series winding. That is, A1, A2 and S1, S2 are in series. That is in parallel with the field winding F1, F2, that is the shunt winding. Then in short shunt, the F1, F2, that is shunt field winding, is only in parallel with the A1, A2. That combination is in series with the series winding S1, S2. See the diagram. There is the difference between long shunt and short shunt. In long shunt, the F1, F2 is in parallel with the combination of A1, A2 and S1, S2. But in short shunt, the F1, F2, that is the shunt winding, is in parallel only with the armature winding A1, A2. That the combination is in series with the S1, S2. Separately excited generator. A separate DC supply is used to provide exciting current through the field winding. Separately excited generator. A separate DC supply is used to provide exciting current through the field winding. The DC generator produces a DC voltage. If this voltage itself is used to excite the field winding of same DC generator, then it is called as self-excited generator. The DC generator produces DC voltage. If this generated voltage itself is used to excite the field winding of same DC generator, then it is called as self-excited generator. It is a diagram of separately excited DC generator. See the voltage and current relationship for the separately excited DC generator. Here the field current is supplied by the separate DC supply. The load current is equal to armature current IA, that is IA equal to IL. So according to Kirchhoff law, E equal to Vt plus IaRa plus V brush. E is the induced voltage, Vt is the terminal voltage, IaRa is the armature drop, and V brush is the brush voltage. So therefore E equal to Vt plus IaRa plus V brush. We already know the formula for EMF. E equal to P phi NZ divided by 60A. Then self-excited generator. Based on how field winding is connected to the armature to drive its excitation, this is further divided into following three types. First one is shunt, second one is series, and third one is compound. First, shunt generator. See the diagram. When the field winding is connected in parallel with the armature and the combination across the load, then the generator is called as shunt generator. When the field winding is connected in parallel with the armature and the combination across the load, then the generator is called as shunt generator. Okay. See the circuit diagram, in which the IA is divided into two currents, ISH and IL. IA is divided into two currents, ISH and IL. Voltage and current relationship for the shunt generator. Here the IA is divided into two current, IL plus ISH. Therefore, IA equal to IL plus ISH. ISH equal to, according to Ohm's law, Vt divided by RSH. E equal to Vt plus IaRa plus V brush. Again we know the voltage of EMF, that is E equal to P phi NZ divided by 60A. Then series generator. See the circuit diagram. When the field winding, that is S1, S2, is connected in series with the armature, that is A1, A2, and the combination across the load, then the generator is called as series generator. When the field winding is connected in series with the armature and the combination across the load, then the generator is called as series generator. See the diagram. IA is equal to IL, that is equal to ISE. IA equal to IL equal to ISE. Here the voltage and current relationship, IA equal to IL equal to ISE. E equal to Vt plus IaRa plus IaRSE plus V brush. Vt plus IaRa plus IaRSE plus V brush. That is E equal to Vt plus Ia of Ra plus RSE into plus V brush. E equal to Vt plus Ia of Ra plus RSH plus V brush.